Hi, this is another video for Still Motoring, and today we're looking at installing a driving video recorder, and we'll show you how to do it. They're fairly commonplace these days. As everything, this was made in China, but it is a great product. So we'll have a look at what you have to do to install one of these, which is really very straightforward. So it shouldn't be any difficulties at all. Now we're going to look at what you get in the box. Just opened it. There's the camera in its cellophane wrapper, and lift this up and you've got the wiring to sort you out. It looks more daunting than it is. There's the unit to hold it in place and a USB to collect. You also get an instruction manual on how to install, and yeah, the Chinese have been really good here. Normal questions, then answers, and a cloth to clean the lens if you need it. Right, that's the box. So remove the E-protective plastic from the suction pad. Right. Alright, well the first thing you've got to do now is put the mount on the windscreen. So you try and put it in as far away as possible from your vision, which is probably behind the rear mirror. And then you push, and to lock it in place, you turn the wheel like that. That locks it in place. Make sure it's firmly on, won't fall off. There you go. And that's the first stage. Right, you have to slide the camera itself onto the mount, which has an appropriate hole for it. So it slides in, and then you can adjust the camera to where you want it to capture a picture. Generally that would be the angle, because it would be right in front of you. So that would be, at this stage you would have to guess it, but then you simply put in your electric power via this cable, which is connected to your 12-volt cigar lighter. The camera will automatically enter video recording mode and start recording when connected to a car charger and power on. So as you can see, it's already started and is working. The resolution to choose is for optimal return on the photograph is 1080 FHD, and the recording will loop every 5 minutes. And make sure it's on wide dynamic range. Always choose wide dynamic range so you get the most out of your picture.